increase the farming or to increase the growth of crops so that they fulfill the requirement or need of the people for food. Here you can see in the icon the drone which helps the farmers in the farming. It here they can also show us tractor or something else like that, some other equipments. Who has unmuted? So in construction technology, people are making use of machines to improve the construction method and to construct the high rise buildings or luxurious homes or dams or certain different things for the betterment of people. So it is the right use of technology. Up till now we have learned about the misuse and right use of technology. We need to learn that science and technology has its some limitations as well. It has some challenges, issues and limitations where it can't help us. Means at some places science is limited, it has its own challenges, so that it cannot help us. It only provide us the information about the disasters or the events, but it cannot help us in these places. For instance, you can see on the picture, this picture is showing the flood. Science helps us to inform about the upcoming flood, happening of earthquake, storms, rains, flood, etc. But it cannot help us to prevent it or stop it from happening. Means it helps to inform us, but it cannot help to stop it from happening. So science has limitation that it cannot stop the disasters from happening, though they help us to reduce the disaster, but they do not, but the science does not prevent or stop the disasters from happening, right? Now another limitation of technology is the technology for air traffic control. Air traffic control, they have all the information about the flight, about the bad weather, about the rain, storm during the flight, which may distract or disturb the flight. But they cannot stop it from happening. They inform the technical staff, engineers, pilots about the bad weather, about thunderstorm, about the lightning, which may hit the flight or airplane during their flight, but they cannot stop them from happening. They ask them to be careful. They ask them to take care of it, but they cannot prevent it or stop it from happening. Likewise, there are several different events, like I can give example of medicine, where the doctors, paramedical staff, and other nurses and other medical staff, they treat the patient, they diagnose the disease, but they cannot stop or prevent the disease from happening. At some limit, they prevent it for some time, but they cannot stop it from happening. After once it happens, they diagnose it, they treat it, they try to save the life of people, but they cannot prevent it from happening. So these are the limitation of technology. Class, up we have learned today in we have learned from page number 1 till page number 3 of your book. I have given you home assignment on Google Classroom about the reading from page number 1 till page number 3. learn the branches of science given on page number 2. Then there are 3 reason questions which are given on page number 2, paragraph 1. Why a homemaker, why a photographer, why an artist needs to know science. Okay, you guys need to find out the answers from there or also from my video, which will be uploaded on YouTube channel, and also the link will be shared on my on our Google Classroom.
Yes.
You can take help from my this video, or you can take help from the book. Read it thoroughly. Listen my this video from the YouTube channel again and again, so that you will learn all such things which I have described. Because when we will come in the next class on Thursday, I will take a short question answer session before starting our lesson. I will ask each and everyone to give me the answer of these questions. Maybe it will be true and false. It will be fill in the blanks. It will be short answer questions. It will be reason questions, so that everyone will answer me on Thursday in our next class. Right now, our lesson is finished here. I thank you for your time and attention, and I hope that every student from the next class will be kept silent, will mute the audio, will mute the video, will not distract during the session, and I will be giving you time to ask if you have any query. If you did not understand, I will unmute all of you one by one, right? So that everyone will tell me his or her problem, or whatsoever we can say, query, right? Your homework has been uploaded on Google Classroom. Once you will end this session, you will be free to download that homework from the Google Classroom and start doing your assignment. It's reading one, it's learning of branches of science, and 3 reason questions as well. Okay, fine. Yeah, Abbas, I will be unmuted you. Just a minute. Let me finish this, then I will come to you guys again one by one. Okay, fine. Okay, Ayan. No, I not Ayan. Okay, Abbas Hussain, lower your hand, unmute yourself, and let me know your problem.